Why do you start something with full energy but can't stay consistent for more than a few days? You're not lazy and you don't lack discipline. The truth is, your brain is working against consistency. You depend on motivation. When you start something new, you feel excited. You're motivated. You feel like this time you'll stay consistent. But motivation doesn't last. And the moment that feeling fades, you stop because you were never consistent. You were just motivated. 2. You expect quick results. You think, if I put in effort, I should see results fast. But when results don't show up quickly, you start doubting yourself. Is this even working? And slowly, you lose interest. But here's the truth. Consistency doesn't give fast results. It gives real results. 3. You avoid discomfort. Consistency is boring. It's repeating the same thing again and again, and your brain hates that. It wants comfort, easy dopamine, quick rewards. So instead of doing the work, you scroll, you delay, you escape. And that's where consistency breaks. So, how do you fix this? Stop depending on motivation and start building a system. Do small actions every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Because consistency is not about feeling good, it's about showing up no matter what. One added, use a strong line. I remember this. You don't fail because you're not capable. You fail because you don't stay consistent long enough. Now, is it done? If you want to understand your mind and take control of your habits, make sure to subscribe. Because here, we simplify the way your brain works. Now, is it done? And the next time you feel like skipping a day, ask yourself, am I tired or am I just avoiding discomfort?